and now we're gonna go do our first fast pass. What's it called, this ride, John?
Spaceship Earth.
Spaceship Earth. Man, there's tons of people here. We're in line for Spaceship Earth. We have a fast pass, which is good, but I think the wait time is about 50 minutes.
Time machine will slowly rotate down and then stop momentarily. When you see
but it also brings with it the dawn of great civilized Rome, built the first worldwide way, and teaching us about the truth. The beauty of this way invents the movable type printing.
The seas with Nemo and friends. Oh, look at all the fishies. Hey guys.
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out to sea?
Oh, don't worry, just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo!
Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together. Nemo! Why didn't you drop by for a little bite?
It's ugly. I know.
They're little clownfish. There they are, little seahorses.
Look at those.
They're beautiful.
This stuff is made out of the same stuff as chalk, guys.
Look. Wow, look at that stingray. It's huge. Wow. Up close and personal.
There's gonna be guys in the tank in a few minutes.
All right, guys, we're heading right now to the Rose and Crown pub for lunch. It's a beautiful day. It's really pretty. I'll show you a bit of the park on the way there. So this is my home country, Canada. So here it's represented with some totem poles and the Chateau Frontenac. It's really a pretty area. Look at this, guys. Little moose with Canada on it. What else do we have here? Oh, yes. The maple lollipops. We had these growing up, tons of them. They're not very good, though.
The other one is a wolf.
Cute little Mickey with a checkered shirt, a buffalo check shirt, and a little Canadian maple leaf on his hat. Wow. Oh,
Maple cookies.
Maple cream. Maple syrup. Here we got some cute little foxes. They're
Daddy,
Canadian fox, obviously.
Daddy says this pajama would do great on you.
That pajama would look good on me. Very cute. Let's see what else they have here. They got some feather. Oh no, these are dream catchers. Of course. Cute little Canadian t-shirts. Tubes here with the moose on it, of course. What's this, guys? Soap. Canadian soap.
Smell each one.
Does it smell good?
Oh yeah, this one's the best.
What does it smell like?
Smells like candy.
It smells like candy. It does smell like candy. So I'm here at the Rose and Crown pub where we booked a reservation for lunch, and we're gonna have some beer and some fish and chips.
So
Okay, so we're here at the Rose and Crown Pub and we're gonna order fish and chips, of course. My husband and I are gonna share a snake bite, which is half cider, half carp. What did you order, Kale?
I ordered some fish and chips and some Sprite.
Ooh. This is the view at the Rose and Crown Pub. We're sitting outside on the deck and it's really beautiful out here. So this is the snake bite. It's half carp, half cider, and I think the waitress added a dash of blackberry currant. It's a little bit sweet. It's delicious. I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing. Adorable. I love these pillows, they're so cute. They're obviously at a telephone booth. Cheers. Oh, this is cute too. Little keychain. Fun little hats. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. Boys, did you find anything interesting?
Yes. Yeah. Trading pins.
Oh, trading pins. Oh, we've arrived in Italy now. Hey boys, turn around.
Careful.
Do you like Italy?
Yes.
La bella Italia. All right, so we're gonna go see Japan now. We're gonna check out the store. Ooh, they got a ginormous pack of Pocky. Sour candy. Oh.
That's apple sour. This is no, that's cherry sour. This is apple sour.
Apple sour. This is all Super Mario stuff. Wow. What is that? A cushion? Whoa. Oh my goodness, that is a big hat. Hello Kitty. It's a little cushion. This one's kind of funny. Look at this one with the Hawaiian skirt.
This is origami. Look at it. They're made of paper. Like you can buy them, and then you have to assemble them. For 10 and up, more like 55 and up, with no arthritis.
I should have known. What are you guys looking at?
The white one.
The white one? Wow, it is beautiful.
Is it the samurai suits? All the different suits with the swords?
The bow and arrows and stuff.
Oh yeah, cool. With the banner from the families and stuff. Yeah. Bow and arrow double-sided.
Hey,
Nunchuck.
nunchucks. There's a
Oh, that's a lot of waving cats.
That mesmerized mommy?
Yeah, they're pretty mesmerizing. Ooh, we got some Japanese candy here. Let's see what we got. Peach gummy candies. Yuzu gummy candies. There's a 50-minute wait, but since we couldn't get a fast pass for it, I think this is the lowest we're gonna get today. So here we go. Yeah, so we just finished Soaring and it was totally worth the 50-minute wait. Now we're heading to Test Track. We're gonna go do the single rider line. So as you can see, the lineup for Test Track is really long. I think it's an 80-minute wait. So that's why we're gonna do single rider line. That standby is 80 minutes. Okay, let's go. So John, you ready to do Test Track? Oh yeah. How about you, Jonah? Ready for Test Track? Oh, well, you don't have a choice. You did single rider. Single rider line.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track.
Commencing sim car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
Amazing! It's such a fun ride, guys. Check this out. So we're on our way for supper now. We're eating at La Hacienda de San Angel. So we're here at La Hacienda de San Angel for supper, and I ordered myself a Dragones top shelf. So let me see if it's any good. That's delicious. It's even better with the rim. Delicious. Goes well with the nachos. We're going to Frozen! Woo! We got a fast pass. Are you anxious to do Frozen, Jonah?
Kinda.
Are you frozen right now?
Yes.
Yay, we got a fast pass! Good job! Oh my god, look. Ooh, Epcot at night. So pretty. You having fun, Jonah? Alright guys, so that's the end of our video. So tomorrow we're going to be heading to Hollywood Studios. I hope you liked following along. Thanks for watching.